guys, welcome to my channel, Exotic Red.
But just move.
Today, we're going to do
Just move.
the world's most satisfying game in Roblox with my ugly 7-year-old brother.
Just move.
Or I mean 10-year-old. Let's go. We're gonna rate them, by the way.
This is solid 8.9.
This nice cube, we do nice cube, probably 8 out of 10. I don't
sorry,
like
guys.
it that much.
Sorry, don't want to teleport to my
Too boring, guys. We need to go to the other ones that is much better. And I have to go. By the way, guys, I already completed the obby, by the way.
8.5.
Shut up, bro.
I'm also talking to my viewers, Fred. I'm gonna pause because I fell.
Who's better YouTuber, me or my poopy brother?
I'm better.
No, I'm better.
I'm better.
I'm better. I have more than subs than you.
That doesn't mean that you're better.
That doesn't mean that you're better. Okay,
8.5.
Nido Gumdrop. What? What?
I'm back.
This is this. Ew! What the frick? Ew!
Okay, that actually sounds weird.
What the frick? Hello, that's a solid
Oh, sorry, guys,
three.
sorry.
That's a solid
Wait,
three.
where
bro.
did I get my dumpling from? I fell.
I'm so excited for the butter one. I really like the butter squishy. If you really want me to view all my squishies,
Let me
smash
get back
that
to my
like
spot.
button. I'm gonna do it like tomorrow or something. So, like, guys!
Subscribe to his channel so he can put wax on his butter squishy.
Yeah, that's my brother is Hell no, I'm not gonna break my butter squishy.
Guys, subscribe so he needs to put wax on his butter squishy.
Okay,
Subscribe.
5,000 likes. I will put
And 1 subscriber.
Wait, I will put my butter squishy inside ice and we're gonna start cracking it.
No, wax.
No,
Why?
ice. We don't have wax, bro.
Mama's wax.
Oh, what the heck? He's gonna put facial wax on our butter squishy. Hell no.
I'm gonna win, not you.
No, I'm gonna win.
I'm a better obby. Why is the needle?
Yeah, but I have to go slow because I have to rate them. Just for my beautiful beauty fans.
I'm already going. Ice cream.
Ew! I don't like needle gumdrop, guys. It sucks. Why does it sound like that?
Oh, this sounds so nice. 10 out of 10.
Wow, look.
Bro, just go on.
Nice needle. I like it. It's super good. Okay,
my needle.
time for the ice cream. What do we
Wait,
rate
I
it?
need a needle.
Wow! Oh, what the heck?
Oh, shoot. Give me this.
Why does it sound like that? It sounds like you're stepping in poop. Ew! Don't find my dad in the back. He's right over there. And my brother's closet. Next time we're gonna stream in my, what's it called?
New gaming room.
Yeah, in my gaming room because this time I'm in my room because it's midnight. So I'll continue the, like, part 8? Like,
And it's
in my gaming room.
Guys,
So guys, we're gonna do part 1 to part 7. Oh yeah, I forgot to rate these.
oh, no, I did this ball.
It sounds boring. But I mean,
The
it's
ball
nice.
just sounds like gumdrops, but more deeper.
You know what? I'll rate this green
9.5, yeah.
I'll rate this green needle stuff. I'll
Oh, the
rate them at least
Oh my gosh, guys. The
what
slime sucks. I'm telling you. The slime
What do
sucks.
we rate it?
The slime is 1 out of 10, bro. It sucks. But why do
I think a 6 is good for it. How about this?
The slime is 1 out of 10, bro. It
No,
sucks.
I'm lagging. Okay, there. Oh, that's the same sound as the ice cream. And I mean I'll give the ice cream like a news rating for like
Gumdrops. Ew, ew, ew.
ice cream is gonna be
Yellow gumdrops. Oh, it sounds like pea gumdrops.
I think ice cream is
Red.
gonna be for solid
Red.
7 because I don't
Why
really
are you
like
still
ice
down
cream.
there? Already the satisfying butter.
Because I'm going slowly. I want my fans to hear
Butter?
it.
10
Because
out of 10. 10 out of 10.
these beautiful guys, they're very, very nice. They're the best guys ever.
10
And I'm in
out of
earphones. So I can hear the beautiful
10 out of
sound.
10, of course.
Oh, my brother said this sucks. Now I'm gonna try it.
So, it's a 1 out of 10 for me.
Ew! It's stepping and ew, what the frick?
That's why you can...
Ew.
Jeez!
Ew.
You can find the tung tung there. Face back.
What the frick? Ew. Hell no. That's a zero out of 10. Nah, that's an actual 0 out of
1
10.
out of 10.
Ugh.
Okay,
Ew.
here comes the wax I want to put on my brother's butter.
No, guys.
Yes.
No,
Subscribe.
guys.
Watch us 11 subscribers and 5,000 likes.
No!
Yes. So you can put wax in his butter.
No, actually, let's do it. 200 subscribers. I will put my butter inside ice.
No, wax. But if you get 5K,
I'm gonna skip there. I'm gonna pause the video, guys. But for you guys, it's just gonna be like 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's go. Let's
he
continue
was talking to my channel. He betrayed you guys.
Huh? I never did anything. I don't know what this is. So, guys, go to this guy's channel and see what video he actually did. And why would I even betray this? You're the best thing ever.
Oh, wait. Wait, this cat is actually 10.5.
Nice Pierce. I mean the squishy is nice. Ew.
This is a 10 out of 10.
Ew.
Donuts time! Oh,
Guys, he's talking to his stream, guys. It's his choice. Oh my god, it's our favorite. Oh my god. Butter.
10 out of 10.
Butter. Look at that beautiful thing.
Okay,
Cat time for the best squishy ever. Let's see it. Oh?
Okay, this is
Oh my god.
This is a 2 out of 10.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh? Oh no, I'm lagging. That is a solid.
Squishy dumplings!
A solid 10. This is a 10. This is a 10. No joke. This is a
Okay.
This is a joke. This is a 10.
Oh my gosh. You would love this. It sounds like water.
Okay, cool.
It's satisfied shop.
Yeah.
It sounds satisfaction.
Oh, Cruz, if you're watching this video, look at your beautiful squishy. You like that? That's your favorite, right? I mean, I have it. Let me just pause the video and get it. Cruz, look at it. Cruz, I got it on my screen. I got it.
I mean,
I got this squishy on
I'm
my
actually
screen.
give it 9.5. Okay, this is a 10. Oh my gosh.
Yo, I got you. Okay.
10 out of 10.
Cheese.
Guys, world 2!
Yes, that's nice. The cheese is very nice, guys.
Guys, I just saw a yellow dumpling. I think it's a golden sprinkle.
I like it. I actually like it.
World
I mean,
2, guys!
Stop overreacting, Cruz. You're keeping it overreacting. You're too overreacting.
Sorry,
Cruz.
guys. But I mean, already completed this.
Wax. Guys, it's Wax. Blue's favorite. Blue's little favorite. Look at my dad in the back working. And this is my brother's favorite, right?
My favorite
Master
is the
Hen.
Dr. Pepper. I
I'll
can't
let
hear
go.
anything. I'm just gonna pause the video so you can guys
Oh, yo.
wait until it starts.
Oh my god. Guys, this sounds so good. Told you it does. It sounds good, but wax is so expensive. Guys, if you agree with this guy, let me hit 5,000 subscribers by buying wax.
Smash the like button until he gets 250,000 likes.
Hell no.
And he needs to get 1,000 subscribers.
Okay.
That's a hard one.
Yeah, but it's gonna cost a lot, boy. But my butterscotch is in my mom's room.
At least we get money from YouTube.
Bloody.
Is it working now? Guys, where is it gonna start?
Oh my god, bro. Oh no.
Gonna
Oh my god, that's monstrous cheese. Oh no.
What?
I mean the
What
monster.
the heck is that?
Bro, help. What the heck is wrong with this guy, bro?
I just heard it in my AirPod.
Butter stairs. That's
Hey,
your
who's that?
satisfaction.
Who's that, bro? Who is that? Who said? Who is there? Oh, this is the same as the thing. What the?
Oh,
Guys, someone just. Why the girl? Armor girl.
guys, let me hit 5,000 subscribers. 5,000 subscribers. That's all I'm asking, guys. If I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna buy needles and unbox them.
And cut them open.
And that better hit more than 10,000 likes or I'm never ever buying needles again, bro. Ew! Bananas!
I'ma just go back now.
Ew! Oh, I'm allergic to bananas. Oh, freak. I'm allergic to I'm not joking. I'm allergic to bananas.
Guys, he's overly acting like Cruz with cheese.
No, I'm not actually joking. I'm actually allergic to the ocean.
So it's just a little.
But it's okay. If we do it, at least it's not real.
Banana is slippery. They love me more. That's why I didn't slip there.
Okay, guys, let's teleport to that part again.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, we're here. Let's go, guys.
10
We
out of 10.
teleported. Ah!
Needles.
Oh, no. You have to teleport back. And by the way, guys, the banana is 4 out of 10 because I'm allergic to banana. But
Gummed up.
I also got this. I will just teleport it in screen. Just wait. It will appear. In 3, 2, 1. Look,
This is an
1. It's here. Look at this.
Guys, it's time for the cracking slime.
Ew. Ew.
Okay.
Ew. Ew.
Oh, this is just normal. Let's give it a.
But it's okay.
I mean,
It's not a real banana
teleport.
after all. Cheese. I like cheese.
You bro, show your golden poopy squishy.
Ew. Ew. Ew, bro.
You
Ew.
bro, show your golden poopy squishy.
Hell no.
Why?
Because my fans is waiting for me for so long. Okay, guys, this is the sound of the banana again. Here. Ew, ew, I don't actually like it, but I read, guys. I team with you. And we're gonna test the butter squishy sounds. Sounds like the same one, but
10 out of
lower
10.
volume.
Hey, Cruz! Stuck in cheese?
By the way, guys, I am a fan of Steak and Cruz.
I'm gonna take a picture of
And
this.
of course, Plinky Boy.
I'm gonna take a picture. Guys, I took a pic of Cruz.
Ew. Ew.
Take a pic of
Ew.
Cruz.
Ew, no. Why is it?
Why is
Oh,
Cruz
no.
even stuck in cheese?
Oh no.
Look at that.
Gumdrops. Gumdrops sound so freaking bad. Ew. I'm not stepping in
Cruz,
Cruz.
why are you putting kill bricks here? Trying to kill us?
Ew. What do you mean Cruz?
Cruz is stuck in cheese.
What do you mean Cruz is like me? I mean Cruz is like me. Cruz is like not
And
not even cute. And we are never even meeting
no,
Cruz.
that's cheese. The owner put Cruz in there.
Ew, bro. Oh,
We're almost at the top, guys.
bro. Now I have to fall all the way back. Okay, I'm back. Let's go. By the way, guys, I rate the gummy cats a solid 8 because it also looks cool. Oh, the donuts actually sounds good. Kind of. But I don't really like it that much. Cat paws, that's for girls, bro. Ew! Ew! Ew, bro. Ew. Ew, bro. Ew. Why does it sound like that? Ew, bro. Ew. No, bro. Dumplings. Dumplings. I mean, it's nice. I like it in real life. I like how they design this, and it's cute. I gotta rate it. The highest I can do is 7. For the cat paw, it's kind of nice, so 8. 8.5. What's a dumpling mystery box? I already got it. I got a red. But let's go for again. Oh, never mind. You can't get Dr. Pepper. The one that I'm not yet drinking it for until today. Oh, wax. Dr. Pepper, I'm gonna rate it. Wait, let me hear it again. Okay, I'm gonna rate it a 9 for this wax. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's it. Oh, we beaten it! Yay! Tomorrow part 2 in my gaming room. Okay, guys.
Ready?
Bye.
Red, I can't do